my skillful people, hope you all doing great. I take it that you have started planting from my last videos. I've been posting a lot of planting videos over the past few months, so I hope you have been benefited from it and you started putting a little seed, even a little seed in a pot, you know, to start off your gardening well. If you have and it's going great, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I will see how well you have done from watching my videos. So, not to distract you from those planting videos and those plants, those lovely plants, but today I'll be switching up a little bit. I won't be doing any planting video today, but I know and I hope you will benefit from what I'm about to show you. So I've been wanting to post videos of different skillful things that you can try and to even make money off of. So I came up with Eco Tuesdays, which include gardening, beautifying or landscaping, more of an environmental aspect of it where you can benefit from. Whether you're gonna sell your produce, you're gonna sell seedlings, you're gonna produce seedlings, you're gonna plant flowers and sell, or even decorative stones where you can do landscaping. When it comes to decorative stones that I'm talking about, it's a great business because the amount of development that has been going on, and at the end of it, everybody is trying to beautify the place. And I've seen some and they are great. They look so lovely. And if you have these stones, well, I get my stones from the sea and they're beautiful. I'll put a picture right here. So those are the stones that I got from the sea, and you can use them to beautify the front part, and a lot of persons buying them, so you can try that as well. And when it comes to the heightened food prices, you can, from a little garden, you can get so much from a small garden. If you want to know how much you can get from a small garden, I will post a link in the description box below of previous videos of what I've gotten from my small garden, so you can benefit from watching Eco Tuesdays. So here is another idea. I'm gonna call it DIY Mondays. I posted on DIY Mondays before. You can check that out. I'll leave a link in the description box below too of the last DIY that I did. But today I will be making cushions, considering the holiday that's coming up in December, the Christmas season, and a lot of persons are getting curtains, new pillows, new cushion, you know. So hopefully it can turn into a little business for me and for you if you want to try it. So without no further chit-chatting, let's get right into that video. So here I have some plain fabric. These are plain upholstery fabric. Well, yeah, upholstery fabric. Each 1 yard, and I'm hoping to get 2 cushions from each. All right. So I'm gonna use these 2 together, the black and the gold. Look like orange, but it is gold. And then I have the yellow and I have the green. So let me show you. So I have these 2. These are printed upholstery fabric. This one I'm gonna put with the yellow, the mustard yellow. So this is it. And then we have this one that's gonna go with the green. All right, you can go with blue or you can go with brown, so you can choose any color to match it. So let us just start with the, I'm gonna do the mustard. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the standard size cushion, and I'm gonna cut it, measure it and cut it. So this is a standard size cushion that I'll be using. So I'll be measuring across and down. So across is 21 inches, and down I'm gonna have 16 inches. So I'm just gonna measure it on the fabric and then cut. So after I finish measuring the fabric, mark the spots that I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna fold all of the fabric to that measurement, so I don't have to measure over and over. So let's start cutting the fabric. So I'm going to cut it into a straight line, and this is the measurement that I'm going to use to sew. So I'm going to use two types of thread, a jeans thread, which is the bigger one, and a polyester thread, which is the smaller one. Oh yes, I forget to show you how I serge the edge of the fabric. I'll be using this cotton tie material to stuff in the cushion. So this is called wadding. Some people call it batting. Others have different name for it, but I'm gonna use cotton-like material. So this is what I'm gonna use to start stuffing the cushion. I will stuff the rest of it and then come back. So guys, this is the finished product. It is looking so lovely. I love how it turns out, and I hope you enjoy this video and get something from it. So I will see you in the next video with some other DIYs. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so right now. You might find something interesting that you can benefit from. Bye.